Hey guys, this is Lego City Star Wars fan. I'm going to be doing a review on the Lego City ice cream truck. This is a pretty cool set. I actually got this set today at Intertoys, as you can see. Yeah, the stores are still open. It is sad that the Lego stores are closed because of the virus. So yeah. So here are some pictures. This is why there's a this guy running on a skateboard saying, "Hey, wait for me, I want ice cream." And then the lady starts, I guess instead of giving the customer ice cream, just decides to drive it away and say, "Wait for me, it's my ice cream." There's a guy, I suppose he wants to swap his popsicle for an ice cream, because maybe he didn't like it or something. Yeah. Get too many figures, plus a dog. Yeah. There's the instructions. This one has 48 pages of building. And this one has also 48 pages of building. Here's the pieces. Thing like Lego Life. Win! Yeah. Okay, let's take a look at the dog. Yeah, it's just a standard city dog. Focus. Yeah, see this dog? Yeah, it's just a 2011 Lego dog. That owner right there in the green sweater. So yeah. Here you have a guy with a purple skateboard. He's holding an ice cream, vanilla ice cream, or it's possibly soft ice. Yeah, it's possibly soft ice. He has a kind of sweater without sleeves, back printing. And he actually also comes with a hair, which is nice. Nope. Here we have the ice cream truck driver. She's wearing a bow tie, a blue striped shirt, and red pants. Because you can get this. Because it's like ice cream, something you can eat on a really hot day. I just wish maybe it could have been maybe she could have worn those shirts without sleeves. There's something I think that could have been better, but oh well. But nope, no back face. Light yellow hair or whitish or something. On to the main vehicle, which is the ice cream truck. Looks pretty nice. There you go. As you may notice, I changed the wheels. Supposed to be these wheels right there, but I think I just thought it would look better with these wheels. Yeah, I just like it this way. I just like it with these wheels. Looks pretty much cooler. Anyways, here's Mr. Chill. As you can see, it's the name, Mr. Chill Ice Cream. It's the name of the ice cream truck. Stay cool, or stay healthy. It's what people are saying at the moment because of the virus, coronavirus. Here's the menu. You get chocolate, vanilla. I think there might be banana or lemon. Same as that. This flavor could possibly be blueberry, and this is also vanilla. And the doors sliding glass door. Only the best. Only the best ice cream. Another Mr. Chill. You can take this off. You could put your minifigure inside. Here's some controls right there, like knowing how much gas this truck has. And back, same thing. If you open up here, you can get two popsicle pieces. You get a blueberry. Blueberry and lime or something, I don't know. Here are ice cream cones. You get three of them. One of them is the minifigures only. Yeah, this is actually an extra piece. There's the second one right there. There's also chocolate. I don't know where to put that one. I'm trying to figure that out. Anyways, yeah, it's an extra piece. The vanilla right there on top is also an extra piece, and same got chocolate. Right there, you're getting a cash register and what's called a money $100 bill. That's saying Mr. Chill. There's Mr. Chill up here. Pretty cool. Here's the back. Mind that child. I don't really know why they put that there. It's just weird. Yeah, I think that's about it for this video, for this review. So anyways, this is a pretty cool set. This is a very nice thing you can have on a very hot day, which I know it is. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I actually bought this set along with, today along with this set, the Highway Arrest. Yeah, I will review that in a different video. So, yeah, please rate, comment, like, subscribe. Also, stay healthy and stay safe. And